Welcome to my tutorial. In this lecture, we will learn how to use JavaScript to add two number. We will use DOM. So firstly, open the VS Code, and in the file, go to the new text file. We will create a HTML file. So save this file as, say, we'll go to create a folder. We'll go to create a new folder, say folder record1. In this, we'll add two input number and display in the browser. So name this HTML file as index.html. Now use the auto suggestion to generate the boilerplate code and change the name of the title with some numbers. The program will be some apps and create another file, new text. It will be a JavaScript file, and save this file in the same folder, and it will be a JS. Here is the JavaScript, and name this as app. So we have two files. One is index.html and app.js. So in the at the end of the body tag, we'll link the JavaScript file with the HTML. Write down the name of the JavaScript file. So we have head tag and body tag. So now we can actually open the folder. Our folder will be in the current folder, and obviously we'll save it. Cancel. And we can see that we have two files, index.html and app.js. Now minimize this. If we go to the live server, we can go to the live server. We can see the file change. Okay. We can go to the live server, open the folder. Okay, we will open the folder, open folder, and our folder is record1. We open the folder. I can see that we have two files, app.js and index.js. We have to work with the index.js first. Okay. And in the so right now, firstly, we have to create a container. Write the container. We will create a container div, and within the container div, we will write the entire program. Firstly, we will create a h1 tag, and within the h1 tag, we write the program is summation program. Program is for summing. So within that, we have to input. So firstly, we will create a label. We'll create a label actually. We'll create a label. And name this will be first number, and there will be input. Since we'll take two input, we'll take the input, and input will be number, and give a ID of it. This ID will be first num. And we have label and input, and give a div over here. And put this thing inside a div. And for the second number, we can copy the above one and create another div where we have label and a div, label and an input. So we have see, if we go to the live server, we can see the progress. We can minimize it actually side by side. We can see we have some program, the header and the input, and within level we can write this will be our first number, and here we can write this will be our second number. If we save it, we can see the change side by side in the live server. So we have first number, we have second number, and we have a button will be here. So create another div, within the div, create a button and give a button ID. The ID of the button will be btn and name it calculate. If we save it, we can see the button over here in the right side. And in the next div, we have to show the result. Here, within the div, we have a paragraph. In the paragraph, we will display result. And within the result, there will be a span tag where our output will be shown. So to show the output, we need to create a ID here, give the ID of a span, say it will be the output result. So our result, it will be like this. So if we see here, we have first numbers, second number, calculate div, calculate, and also result option. So next, go to the JavaScript portion. So we have to bring say create the constant and bring the minimize the left side portion. Take first number, say